Also introducing Kyocera JCT series cool-in-through holders for small parts machining. The large lineup of turning, grooving and cut-off holders are capable of pressures up to 20 megapascal. 2 holes direct coolant towards both the cutting edge and the chips. One stream cools the cutting edge while the other helps to shred chips into small pieces. The JCT holders maintain better chip control performance when compared to competitors' products. KGBF JCT for external grooving. The KGBF JCT discharges coolant between the chip breaker wall and the chip. Coolant is directed to the cutting edge at a higher density than competitors and provides stable chip curls and sufficient cooling of the insert. When tested against competitor products, the KGBF JCT provided much better chip control. Customers were able to improve chip control and lengthen tool life by 60%. Kyocera also offers the popular KTKF JCT holders for cutoff operations. For cool-in-through turning, grooving, threading and cutoff, switch to Kyocera's new JCT series today.